Whoa, builders, did you hear the news? LEGO has officially announced the next LEGO Technic Ultimate Series set with the McLaren P1. The set has 3,893 pieces and will retail for $449.99. This build is going to be epic, with all the intricate details of the real car. 7-speed gearbox with 2 shifter drums, working suspension, an 8 piston engine, adjustable rear wing, and open dihedral doors. Get ready to rev up your creativity and race to the store to grab your release on August 1st. Let's build some speed together.